Hello everyone, my name is Praveen Kumar. My branch is Mechanical Department. My topic is control structures for loop. Control structures in Python for loop. What is control structure? A control structure is a block of programming that analyzes variables and decides which statement is executed next. Based on the given parameters, the term control denotes the direction in which the program flows. Usually, loops are used to execute a control statement a certain number of times. Basically, control structures determine the flow of events in the program. If statement, this is used to check a condition and executes the operation statements within the if block only when the given condition is true. Syntax: if condition, true statements. Here is a flow diagram. Start of the loop. Condition true. Continue no. Remaining of the body as false, and at last exit loop. Loops in Python. Loops are used to repeat a set of statements. Single statement a certain number of times. In Python, there are two loops, for loop and while loop. The Python for loop also works as an iterator to iterate over items in dictionary or characters in string. For loop. A for loop is used to iterate over a sequence that is either a list, tuple, dictionary or a set. We can execute a set of elements once for each item in a list, tuple or dictionary. Whereas while loop in Python, while loops are used to execute a block statements repeatedly until a given condition is satisfied. My question is, what are loop control statements in Python? In Python, loop statement you execute the block of code repeatedly, but sometimes you want to execute a loop completely or skip specific part of a loop. When it meets a specified condition, it can be done using loop control mechanism. And another question is, what is loop control structure? A loop consists of two parts, a body of loop and a control statement. The control statement is a combination of some conditions that direct the body of the loop to execute until the speed condition becomes false. The purpose of the loop is to repeat to the same code a number of times. Syntax of for loop. For val in sequence, body of for here val is the variable that takes the value of the item inside the sequence on each iteration. Loop continues until we reach the last item in the sequence. The body of for loop is separated from the rest of the code using indentation. Example, Python for loop. Here I have given a program. The question is program to find the sum of all numbers started in a list. First we have to take list of numbers equal to 6, 5, 3, 8, 4, 2, 5, 4, 11. Variable to store the sum equal to 0. Iterate over the list. For val in numbers, sum equal to sum plus val. Print the sum is sum. When we run the program, the output will be the sum is 48. Thank you.